drifted away like the leaves in the fall. But year after year I come back to this place just to remember the taste of strawberry wine. And 17, the hot July moon saw everything. My first taste of love, oh, yes, sweet, the green on time, like strawberry wine. The fields have grown over now, years since they've seen a cloud. There's nothing time hasn't touched. Is it breathing him or the loss of my innocence? I've been missing so much. Like strawberry